this video, I'm going to show how to solve a Rubik's Cube and go through all the steps. First, we need to scramble it. Now that it's scrambled, I'll start solving it. So first you want to find you need to get like a white cross here and match up the edges with these centers. So here's a white blue edge. Here's a white and green one. A white and red one. And where's the last one? And a white and orange one. Now you flip it over and you want to match up the white corners with the edge that goes with it. So this one, you want to find the green and orange edge. And then you want to position it so the white side's facing away, and then on the other side it's the opposite color. So this is green and orange, and green's on this side, so for this one we want orange on this side. You're gonna move it back like that, and then put it into the spot where it goes. And you're gonna do that for all the other corners. Okay, now that you have the first two layers solved, you want to make a yellow cross on top. So first, since we have these two edges here, I'm going to do this move. Okay, now we have like a yellow cross on top. Now, since there's two yellow corners on top, we want to find a yellow corner that's facing towards us on the left, and then do this. Okay, now that we have just one yellow corner on top, you want to find the one right next to it. So either this one or this one, the one where it's facing towards you, and then do this. Okay, now we want to match up the corners with where they go. So we're going to use this move. Okay, we have these two, so now we're going to do it for these two. Okay, now we just need to match up the last three edges. So for the last algorithm, the three closest edges are going to rotate a certain way. So you want to find which edge is correct and put that one away from you. Then these three need to rotate clockwise because the yellow needs to go there, blue needs to go there, and green needs to go there. So we're going to do that. Then since they need to go this way, we're going to turn it this way and then go like that. And it's solved.